Hi guys, I hope everyone is staying safe. I have my gloves on and I'm sanitizing the gloves too. Imagine that. I have my bottle of hand sanitizer right here on the door. And I'm going to head to Costco and I'm going to head to a few other places. I'm going to get some supplies that I need that I may run out of in case they shut down completely for 2 weeks, which means to say groceries, Walmart, Costco, everybody's going to be shut down. So I want to go into Costco and I'll show you guys what it looks like inside of the store. I heard it's not that bad, and compared to a normal supermarket or Walmart, they actually have things. So I'm going to head over there and I'll share with you guys what the store looks like, and just get my basic things that I would need to survive and without overdoing it. So stay tuned guys. I hope you guys stay safe, and everything that I've put up on the channel so far with the wipes and all of the sanitizers and stuff that I made, it's not tested in a lab. It may not be for you. If it's not for you, that's okay. It's just something that I'm doing so that I can have that extra level of protection. So check out those videos and I'll see you guys. Bye. So guys, I'm picking up, it's 50 persons they're allowing in the store at a time. So I'm picking up condensed milk, carnation milk, because those things can stay. I have oil already, and then I hardly cook with oil, so I'm gonna see. They have baby wipes and it's limit 1 per person. Last week it was 2, so I'm gonna still pick up a baby wipes because I've been using it for my son. He is potty trained, but when we have to wipe up his face and stuff, it's always good to have extra. So they do have Pampers, and actually the pull-ups are on sale right now, so there's a discount on that for $29 for the box. I have eggs. I don't think I should probably pick up some more eggs just to make sure, but Costco seems like they're stocked. The section that may not be stocked is that back section where they have all the tissue and those things. So they have bread and freezers, everything is full. So we're gonna go down to the toilet paper section where they have the water and all of those things, and see what I can get. I am going to take one of these big needles in case we run out of milk. We can use this to make tea. Okay, I'm gonna take one of this big gain. Okay, this is $19.99, so just keep that. They do have liquid ones if you wanted to, but I have liquid at home. So, and they have water, but I like to buy the Zephyr Hills, so let me see if I can get Zephyr Hills water here. Okay, so no Zephyr Hills water. A lot of their items are on discount, so I'm gonna get that Febreze fabric freshener. It's $5.89.
It's still bleed.
And it's 1 water per person. So I'm gonna get 1 of this Kirkland water. Usually this is where the palm olive is on sale also, so I think I'll get that. It's $5.59, usually $7.99. So no paper towels, no toilet paper, not even the flushable wipes. They usually have a box of 10. They don't have any. They have Niagara water, and it's 1 case per person, and then they have their Kirkland water, which is 1 case per person, and it'll be per day. So let me go down this section and see what it has. Or let's check on the disinfecting section and see what it has. So I'm taking a toilet bowl cleaner, and I took a Clorox bleach cleanup.
Do we have someone like their responses?
Come out in a different way. But
This is on sale. I'm gonna take one. It's limit 2, but I'm just gonna take one because I have one at home. Okay, so no types of wipes at all. They do have the Swiffer wet mopping cloths. I'm gonna take that, seeing that it's on sale. It's $11.69. Dry clothes. Okay. So guys, I wouldn't say that Costco is empty. There are a lot of items still here at Costco, and what is not here is the wipes, paper towel, and toilet paper. That's the only thing that they don't have. So that's it. I'm gonna go down to the front. Let's peep the bakery section here and just see what they have. I'm thinking to get a rotisserie chicken. So they have all of their food items. The rotisserie chicken is 1 per person. So they have all of their markets and everything. It's stocked up. Chicken, everything is stocked up, guys. It's not empty here at this location, and they are limiting 1 item per person, so in that way everyone would get something. So I just have like 2 more lanes to go down, see if I need soap and bath soap and stuff, and then I'll be done. My cart is pretty full with things that we will have to eat, canned stuff, and this quinoa cup. They now have their air purifier for $99, so you're getting $30 off.
okay. I love you.
Okay, so I think I'm done. I'm gonna go cash. So guys, now it's time to cash. I'll go by a cashier because I have so many items. But this is what the store looks like. It's not chaotic because, as I said, they're limiting 50 persons at a time. So once a certain amount leaves, they'll let a certain amount in. So I have my cart with my stuff, and I think I got everything that I needed. So they have no rubbing alcohol, none of those things. They don't have any. So time to cash and head home.